On alert tonight after a rapid rise in coronavirus hospitalizations. Across the SETRAC Trauma Service Area R, which includes all of Southeast Texas, the COVID hospitalization rate is 16%.
Now, the governor has said if that number exceeds 15% for 7 days, tougher restrictions will be needed. They include reducing restaurant occupancy and making bars return to go only. Salons could stay open, but they have to maintain social distancing. The new spike has people wondering if we're heading for another shutdown.
Now, 12 News reporter Jordan James tonight caught up with one business owner who believes that there's a better solution than scaling back the capacity for restaurants.
Yeah, Jordan, Texana Grill has only been open for a few months, and already the owner is concerned about their future with the threat of more COVID-19 restrictions looming.
Empty tables and chairs were not what John Swift was expecting when opening the doors to his new Beaumont restaurant.
We were averaging probably $4,000 a day, and unequivocally we would have been pushing $20,000 a day.
Texana Grill is in the same position as many other restaurants, struggling to make ends meet as a result of the coronavirus pandemic.
We are sitting on a huge debt burden right now. That frankly, if it's just not simply forgiven, it'll be a long time in coming for us to repay it.
Under phase 3 of Texas's reopening policies, restaurants are able to operate at 75% occupancy. But that could be changing in Southeast Texas as COVID-19 cases surge.
We have to try to do everything we can to move Texas and America forward. A
part of moving forward is addressing the issue at hand, COVID-19. Currently, our region's hospitalization rate is at 16%. If it remains that way for more than 7 straight days, occupancy limits for restaurants would drop to 50%. Bars would also be forced back to go only orders. Health experts say it's the right decision.
We want to maintain the integrity of our economy, but also, too, we can't end up having a lot of people get severely ill.
Swift says any major changes to his day-to-day operations would have a trickle-down effect to his staff and customers. But he's trying to look at the glass half full.
We won't quit, that we will continue on, and we are going to do everything we can to give the greatest food experience, and regardless of what those whatever conditions that they impose upon us.
Later this week, Southeast Texas health directors will come together to discuss the recent surge in coronavirus cases, along with encourage folks to adhere to those CDC guidelines ahead of the Thanksgiving holiday. Reporting here live in Beaumont, Jordan James, 12 News.